Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through a complete 2025 guide to setting up Zoho Books, the smart accounting software that helps you track income, expenses, and everything in between. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just getting started with bookkeeping, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to manage your finances confidently. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the web page. Take a quick moment to look around. The homepage highlights key features like invoicing, expense tracking, and automated reporting. Familiarizing yourself with these options will make the setup process a lot easier. Next, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you already have a Zoho account, simply enter your login details. If not, click Sign Up to create one. It's free to start. Because Zoho Books handles sensitive financial information, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if possible. This extra layer of security is worth it. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books homepage. Here you can see an overview of your financial activity, things like recent invoices, expenses, and cash flow. Now head over to the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll find easy-to-read charts and metrics showing your total income and expenses, outstanding invoices and bills, real-time cash flow insights. Spend a few minutes exploring these sections. Understanding these numbers will give you a clear snapshot of your business's financial health. Before you start recording transactions, make sure to set your currency and tax preferences in the settings menu. Add your company details such as business name, address, and logo, so they appear on invoices. Connect your bank account if you want automatic transaction imports. These small steps at the beginning save a lot of time later. And that's it. You've successfully set up Zoho Books and explored the key areas you'll use every day. From here, you can start creating invoices, recording expenses, and generating insightful reports with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy business tech guides. Got questions or need a deeper dive into any feature? Drop a comment below and I'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter, stress-free bookkeeping in 2025.